sit up. Scuffy runs away. Scuffy runs away. Scuffy runs away. Dad said to Josh, "I'm going for a run down by the river. Can I come with you?" said Josh. "And can Scuffy come too?" Scuffy jumped up at Josh. Dad laughed. "Yes," he said, "you can ride on your bike. And Scuffy can come too, but he will have to be a good dog and not run away." Down by the river, Dad ran slowly at first. Scuffy ran slowly too. And Josh went slowly on his bike. Then Scuffy ran very fast. He went so fast that he got away from Dad. "Come back here, Scuffy!" shouted Dad. "Come back here now!" But Scuffy did not come back. "Dad, I will get him for you," said Josh. "I can go very fast on my bike." Josh went after Scuffy. "Scuffy! Scuffy!" shouted Josh. "Come here to me!" Scuffy looked back at Josh. "Sit, Scuffy, sit!" shouted Josh. Scuffy sat down by on the path. Josh jumped off his bike. "Got you, Scuffy," he said. "Stay here with me. Here comes Dad." Josh laughed. "Dad, you will have to look after Scuffy. He is too naughty for me."